Did you ever wonder how to bay park, whether you're reversing, whether you're driving in, or whether you're doing a parallel park, or whether you're pulling up on the right hand side and reversing 2 spaces? So in today's videos, we're going to have a look at reversing into the left, reversing into the right, driving into the left, driving into the right, parallel park, and we're also going to do pulling up on the right and reversing 2 spaces. Kindly, John from Navigator Driver Training has come along with his drone, and he's placed cameras on the front and the back for us, along with my technology in the car. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to reverse in on the right hand side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull forward into some bays that's just located over there now. We're going to be roughly down the middle of the road. We're going to choose our bay. We're going to move forward from bay 1, which is the bay we're going to reverse into. We're going to go forward to bay 3. So there's going to be bay 1, bay 2, bay 3. I'm going to align the bottom of this post here in the middle of bay 3. Once I've done that, I'm going to select reverse gear, signal, and I'm going to do a full lock in the direction of travel. So on this occasion, it's going to be to the right. I'm then going to do my all-round observations, making sure that I look over each shoulder, go through the mirrors, the road ahead, and side glancing all around, making sure that there are no people or aliens around us at any stage. Once I'm happy, I'm then just going to use my clutch to slowly and gradually reverse into the bays. As I'm coming into the bays, I'm going to continue my observations while slowly using the clutch up and down for control. As I'm coming into the bays, I'm then going to use the little mirrors that I've got attached to the main mirrors to see the lines. And I'm going to see if my door handles on that side and on that side is in line with the lines. Once I'm parallel on either side, I'm going to straighten up the wheel, and then I'm going to continue reversing in. And because I've come to a stop as I'm straightening up, to simplify things and making sure the car isn't losing position, I'm going to do a quick check around again to make sure, and then I'm going to reverse into the bay. So with nothing further to do, let's get on with it. So we're ready to go. Quick check around, making sure it's safe. We're now going to move out of this bay, and we're going to go over to those bays over there. Checking now there's nothing coming because this big van. We can just see John coming into shot now. So I'm going to position the car roughly down the middle first of all. He's shown me the bay that he wants me to go into. Okay, so I've got control now because I'm using the clutch up and down like that. So, yeah. So the bay that we're going to go into is the one that's beside me right here now. So that's bay 1. I'm going to go forward from bay 1 to bay 2 to bay 3. And as I said, I'm going to line this up with the middle of bay 3 while staying in the middle nice and straight. 1, 2, 3. So I'm pushing the clutch in now for control. I'm looking at this point here and I'm lining it up with the middle of bay 3. A little bit further forward, not much. Right. Clutch has gone in. Reverse gear, signal, spin the wheel, full lock. Now I'm going to do my checks all around, making sure it's safe. The drone is now active, live and above us, so you'll be able to see that footage later on when we edit everything. I'm happy that it's safe. Come up to the bite, and as you can see now, the vehicle is moving very, very, very slowly. I'm not using gas. I'm just making sure it's safe, and I'm continuing to do my observations around. I'm checking for the lines now and again in the little mirrors, and I'm looking back and forth, and I'm continuing to do my observations through all my mirrors and all around at all times. Keeping it very, very slow. You can see how slow we're going. You probably won't realise how slow we're going until you see it on the drone, but you will see the control and the level of control that's needed. So I'm just coming into the bay here now with a little mirror there, and I can just start seeing the line in that mirror there. So I know now I've got this. This isn't about being central, by the way. It's just about being inside the line. You can always adjust later if you need. Now remember I said about looking for parallel. So I'm parallel that side. I'm parallel that side. I'm inside the bay and I've come to a stop. Okay, so I'm going to straighten up the wheel now. Quick check around, make sure it's safe, because I have come to a stop. Once I'm happy that I'm safe, I'm going to reverse into the bay. So I'm just going to use my mirrors now. Okay, raise the clutch a little. Car's going into the bay, nice and straight. We've also got the technology with the cameras and everything here, but don't just stare at the cameras. Make sure you're safe all around at all times. Use the technology and the mirrors. You can hear the sensors going as well. you can use the technology in conjunction with, and once we get to the little red line, as has been mentioned in previous videos by Jason Sykes, out of gear, handbrake on, and relax. And then we can see the red line is there as well. So that's how we reverse in on the left. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to position the vehicle, I'm going to pull forward to the left, I'm going to reverse back, and then I'm going to do the same thing again where I'm slightly central, but only this time I'm going to do it to the left. So I'm going to use that part of this post, so your B pillar, the bottom corner where the glass comes to an end, but there, so effectively this here, but on this side I'm going to line that up with the center of bay 3. So bay 1 is going to be the bay we're going to go into, bay 2, bay 3, line that up with the center of bay 3 while staying reasonably central. Then I'm going to go reverse, indicating the direction of travel, spin the wheel in the direction of travel. In this instance, it's to the left. I'm going to do my checks, starting in the opposite corner this time, working my way around the vehicle and checking that it's nice and safe, making sure we check those blind spot areas. And then I'm going to reverse slowly into the bay using the clutch, continuing my observations and using the technology if I really need to. I'm then going to take my attention as I'm coming into the bay to the little round mirrors, making sure that I'm parallel. Once I'm parallel, stop, spin the wheel, quick check around, making sure it's safe, and reverse into the bay. Again, remembering it's not about being central. It's about being inside the bay. We can always adjust later if we're not happy that we're dead center. Okay? So with nothing further to do, the drone is up, John is still facing us. He's having a look at the seagulls at the minute because they're attacking the drone, I think. But we'll have a look at that footage later. He's probably going to edit this out, but never mind. He's now looking at me thinking, what is he saying with that? So I'm going to go that way, John, and then I'm going to go back and then forward. Yeah, okay. Okay, so here we go. Right, so we're into first. We're central now, we're just going to go forward. We're going to choose the same bay. Just check with John. That bay there, happy? Okay, so we got bay 1. We're going to pull forward now to bay 2, bay 3, and line this pillar up, the edge of this pillar by here, right? So we got bay 1, check ahead, bay 2, check ahead, bay 3. There we go. So we're going to pull forward now, so that corner of B pillar is halfway down, wee bit further forward I think. Lovely, great. Reverse, signal, spin the wheel, check you're safe all around. John's over there, it's safe, there's no vehicles, everything is safe, we're all good, and we're going to ease it back into that bay. Keep checking all around, making sure it's safe, looking for your lines as well. It's all good. Coming into the bay nice. We're in the bay there now. So we're parallel on that side, not quite that side. Yeah, we're all good there. So I'm going to come to a stop here, spin, check all around, make sure it's safe. And we're just going to move back into the bay gradually like that. And then we're using the technology as well to assist us, and we're checking through the mirrors. And there we are, make safe, out of gear, handbrake on, and relax. That's it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to drive into a bay. So we're going to drive in on the right hand side. So again, I'm going to pull forward, reverse back, and then I'm going to pull forward so that my shoulder is approximately halfway down the bay before the one that we want to go into. So as we're driving forward, we're going to check our mirrors, put the signal on. Only this time we're going to position the car as far away from the bays as possible. So we're not going to be in the middle as we were with the reverse. We're going to be as far away as possible from the base to give us that swing to get us in. So as far away as possible, shoulder halfway down the bay before approximately, get that lock on, checks around, making sure it's safe, signal, and you're going to drive into the bay. And you can make your adjustments as you're driving into the bay if necessary as well. You're going to get the impression that that corner, that's the left-hand corner of the car, is actually going over the line, but it's only giving you that impression from the seating position, so don't worry about it. And then you're going to come into the bay and we'll square up, straighten up the vehicle and just drive forward nice and gently. Okay, so with nothing further to do, let's have a look at driving into the bay on the right hand side. Okay, so here we go. So we're going to pull forward, checking the mirrors, signalling. Now, we haven't started looking for our bay yet. We've got our forward driving position first of all. He's pointing to where we want to go. So what I'm starting to do now is check the mirrors. I've got my bay, so the bay before the one that I want. As I'm coming with my shoulder about halfway down, I'm starting to turn now and I'm going in really slowly and gradually. Quick check to make sure it's safe. The car's coming back around now and it's coming into the bay. And when it comes into the bay and it's straight, stop, straighten up the vehicle and then just drive forward. And then that's it, guys. And then out of gear, handbrake on. It's as simple as that. So that concludes your driving into a bay to the right. So we're going to do the same now, where we're driving into the bay on the left, only this time we need to be as far away as possible on the right hand side to be able to drive in on the left. So we're going to go into the same bay that we just came out of, but our position is going to be as far away from the bay as possible. So to drive in on the left, we need to be over towards the right. Okay, other than that, it's exactly the same. Okay, so I've done my checks, put my signal on to show people my intention. I'm moving forward. I've got the bay that I want to go into. The bay before the one I'm going into, my shoulder's about there. Check it's safe, get the lock on, making sure it's safe all around you. Nice and steady, and as it's coming into the bay, gently brake, wait until you feel you're straight, then get your wheel around, and then just drive into the bay. Don't try to make any adjustments as you're coming in, okay? And you can always look for those lines in the corner by there as well, and you've got the technology with the beepers and the buzzers and everything else. Okay, I hope that clears it up for you. So we're going to make the car safe. All right, so that concludes the 4 bay manoeuvres. All of that footage is going to be seen from a bird's eye view with the drone, thanks to John. The drone's just coming into land here. You've been able to see how I've been conducting myself inside the vehicle. You've also got the front-facing camera and we've got the rear-facing camera as well. So you can see what it looks like from all different angles. I hope that was helpful. I hope it clears it up for you. So now you know how to drive into a bay, reverse into a bay, to the left and to the right. Take care, guys. Stay safe.